Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. It's been absolutely miserable outside, so I actually just put together this little slideshow. I've been watching several of BJ the Crow's things where he's setting up his gold camp and getting out there and doing some prospecting and staying out in the woods, and it reminded me of I've actually done this a couple of times for a long period of time with some reasoning behind it. But anyway, this little slideshow is basically back in 2005. I actually ended up in the hospital, just about killed myself, but anyhow, go ahead and watch the slideshow and video. And like I said, I kind of was inspired by BJ the Crow to show some of my camp stuff. I don't really have any video from then, but I did take quite a few pictures. So anyway, sit back and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think. It's actually kind of a dieting thing I had to do, and I've done it since then too. Actually, in 2008, I started getting back up there again and ended up going out to New Mexico for a couple months and staying out in the desert. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get on with it. Like I said, it's just been miserable outside, so I haven't felt like really doing anything in the lab. I've been doing stuff inside, and I just figured you guys might like to see this. So we will see you guys in a bit.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.